So we're hauling ass going at about 34 or 35 kilometers per hour. My bike's broken?
Is it broken?
Huh?
No,
Taking a video.
Watch out, watch out.
Like at least 35 kilometers per hour. Me and these guys over here. Oh, this fucking massive bird jumps right in front of me. This fucking massive ass bird. And I think, yeah, he's right here. What the fuck is this bird? There it is. This fucking massive bird jumps in front of me. Look at it, look at it. It's almost about to die. What is this fucking thing? Yeah. Hope you die, motherfucker. Jesus Christ. Ugh. Everything hurts. Ouch. Glenn broke his helmet. This guy's fucked. And have something bulging out of my knee. I have no idea what the hell that is.